Richie Dodson, again from Chateau Debris, a.k.a. my office, my shop. What in the world is this? Well, this is an probably early 70s, could be a late 60s. I don't know how to pin these things down. This was a Japanese made in the Kasuga factory, as far as I know. Bradley. It's an original 5-string. A flathead tone ring, just like it came back in the day when they were giving Gibson a fit. Because you know what they were doing in the early 70s. They tried to kill bowling balls, Harleys, and Gibson banjos, and other things. It's a one-piece flange, and I like them better from the Japanese banjos. It's sort of an homage to an RB-800 of the day, but without the Ronald McDonald Sunburst. But for it's got Planet tuners on it, which isn't what they were issued with, but these are a lot better. They have Ivoroid buttons, and the 5th string peg is foam op, fake mother of pearl. So it is what it is. It's been completely gone through. New head, new bridge, set up all the way. New frets, I believe, on this one. Is that right, Will?
It is.
There you go. But for the money, and instead of purchasing something, you know, that's really El Cheapo, these are really good instruments and will carry you through until you're ready to make a big purchase. And I know a lot of people who keep one of these in their camper, and you know, when the guy staggers up, they hand him this. Here, pick one. Because you're not as afraid at this price range. And we'll get all the pictures up at www.banjomart.com so that you can go there and see what's available. This one will be there until it sells. But these are full weight master tone style banjos. They went all the way to get these things as close as they knew how. If you like these videos, you like seeing what we might have for sale, or we're just showing you what we've been working on, go ahead and hit that little bell notification. You'll be subscribed and you'll be the first to get notified when these things happen. Give us a like if you like. Give us a dislike if you don't. Leave us a comment. And have a good one until next time. Have a good one. Bye.